Thank you so much, Queency. And Queency oda award, please kondu vaanga. Lovely lady. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Miss Universe Tamil Nadu 2025. And Queency wins the Best Upcoming Actress 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, oru balatha karagosham koduthalame. உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஃபீல் ஆகுதோ நீங்க எங்களுக்கும் சொல்லலாம். சாருக்கு மட்டும் இல்ல, எங்களுக்கும் நீங்க சொல்லணும்ங்கறதா எங்க ஆசை. So please go for it.
Wow. Okay, this feels surreal, but yeah, to be recognized as Best Upcoming Actress, yeah, it's beyond fairy tale. But I would also like to thank all the people I have worked with, and this is like I think this is like more like a thing for me, so I can keep it. It shows that hard work never fails, and perseverance and little bit of luck also. So yeah, thank you everybody, and all the best, beautiful ladies. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Queency. இன்னும் நிறைய laurels, நிறைய awards, நிறைய films, நிறைய web series வந்துட்டே இருக்கணும். But yes, Omkali Jaykali நாங்க எல்லாரும் வந்து Hotstarல பார்த்து ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணோம். All the very best, Queency, and many more to come your way. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Best Upcoming Actress 2025, Queency Stanley. All right. அடுத்த award இவங்கள வந்து யாருக்கு தான் பிடிக்கும்?